and welcome. So you probably already know what this is about because it should say unboxing video in the title, but there is a box and I'm gonna unbox it. And I have no idea what's in there, so we're gonna be surprised together. Little summary maybe of what's going on. Lana sent me I think it's a birthday box. At least there's stuff there, and my birthday has been a few weeks ago. Also, Nasreen sent me stuff too, but I was so eager to unbox it, I just ripped the envelope open in the elevator as I was on my way home, so there's no unboxing. I'm just showing you what she got me. So that's a set of super cute cat postcards, and I think it looks a bit like Professor Layton, the color scheme and everything, so it's absolutely my everything. I love it, love it, love it. But now, yeah, gotta check what's in here. There's just a postcard on top of it so that the address is covered for privacy reasons, and I hope I can get that open. Yeah. Oh! Damn, it's working. Oh dear, I can see a card. I can see two cards, I think. So this one says, "The adventure begins." Just gonna quickly... there's a letter in here. I think I can translate it a little. So it's it says, "Sorry for the delay. But the things I wanted to share with you had to wait. Happy birthday!" In summary, stay as you are and enjoy the adventure that are lying ahead. Oh, and apparently there's gonna be adventures in this box, so I am excited and scared at the same time. So here's another. Oh my god, that's beautiful. It's a watercolor feather, so I'm gonna read that too. It says 2 pieces of... Oh, okay, so I'm not... no, I shouldn't read that because that's a spoiler. That's a spoiler. We've got some wrapping paper. I do not need that. Ooh, gummies. Oh yeah, they're vegan. They look so good. And they have good flavors. It's pear, grapefruit, raspberry, blackberry. Everything is in there. So those are great. Thank you, Lana. Well, I mean, thank you for the box anyway, but gummies. So here's the bag. Oh, so know what those are. Those are 2 pieces of wood, and they have been primed with the Daniel Smith watercolor ground. So I'm supposed to paint something on there with watercolors, I believe. So yeah, that's wood. Feels very nice, and as you can see, it's been painted on. Oh dear, more paints. Oh jeez. I'm so glad that I didn't. I wanted to order some paints on Amazon, but I thought, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't, and I have so much stuff already. So I'm glad I didn't, because now I've got even more paints. It's a never-ending hell of watercolors. Or gouache, I don't know what's in there. I'm gonna see. Wow. Oh, that's so full. It fell out. Lucas paints. Oh, it's so juicy. I've never tried Lucas before. Those look fantastic. So yeah, the first thing I'll have to do is swatch them, of course, because I mean, I might have seen some reviews online, but I haven't tried them out myself, so absolutely excited for that. Oh, more paper! Ah! What's that? It's an envelope. Maybe that either. And this looks like papyrus, the Egyptian paper, not the skeleton and not the font, it's actual real papyrus. Ah, it feels so good. The last time I painted on papyrus was 15 years ago or something. I remember making a bookmark for school, but I probably don't have it anymore. Maybe my mom has it. Yeah, now I can read the spoilers and see what that is. So it's 2 prepared pieces of wood with the Daniel Smith watercolor stuff. So the whiter part is the one I should paint on. Lucas Aquarelle and 3 Daniel Smith watercolors. Yeah, papyrus, something sweet. Oh, and I can share everything with my partner. That's so, yeah, as if I'm gonna share those. No, just kidding. If they find out that I didn't share, I'm gonna get in trouble, probably. So thank you so much, Lana and Nasreen too. I'm just sorry that I didn't film an unpacking video for your stuff, but yeah, I got everything and I'm happy. And for everyone else, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you're not subscribed to me or to Lana or to Nasreen, you should do that now, because we're all cool and we make cool YouTube videos. So bye!